Equity release valuation part 2 longevity assumption. Equity release is a contract wherein there is an insurer or provider normally a pensions firm, give loan to policyholder. Such loan is secured on the house of policyholder. Insurer gives loan to the policyholder which is secured on the house of policyholder. This loan is repaid when policyholder dies. So repayment of this loan is contingent on death of policyholder. When policyholder dies, his house is sold and proceeds of sales are used to repay the loan. Repayment along with interest component to the provider. Effectively, loan which is given to the policyholder is an asset to the insurer. Realization of that asset or cash inflows from that asset depend on when policyholder dies. In this article, we are focusing on determination of QX, i.e. probability of death of the policyholder, so that provider can assess when the loan will get repaid. QX for an equity release product is made of 4 parts: base tables, then there are some adjustments to base tables, fourth part is improvement tables, and the last part is policyholder level adjustments. So QX is made of 4 things: base tables, adjustment to base tables, improvement tables, and policyholder level adjustments. Base tables are the historical representation of probability of death. Base tables are available on the CMI website. CMI website can be accessed via Institute of Actuaries website. Depending on the purpose for which valuation is to be made, base tables are pegged. Primarily, there can be 2 purposes for which base tables can be pegged. One is for valuation or pricing. Second is for creating illustration for policyholder. FSA prescribes that for illustration purpose, PCXA 92 with C is equal to year 2010 is to be used. For valuation or pricing purposes, it actually has choice which table he wants to pick. Mortality of equity release products is closely approximated by the mortality of pension products. So pension tables are closely represent equity release mortality as well. Few tables which are used for equity release valuation are PNXA 2000, PNXL00, IXL00 and English Life Table 16. X represent gender, male or female. Now coming to adjustment to base tables. There are two reasons why base tables are adjusted. One is to smoothen them, that is, remove any any unreasonable fluctuations from them, and second is to adjust them for insurer specific experience. So base tables are pegged, they are smoothened and adjusted. Third component is improvement tables. Given that base tables and adjustments represent historical assumptions, we need to incorporate future improvement in life expectancy. Future improvement in life expectancy happens because of improvements in medicine and healthy lifestyles. There can be many other reasons why life expectancy is increasing with time, which is not captured under historical data. To arrive improvement assumptions, CMI has prescribed a model, and in this model we need to plug in parameters. There are two models which are prescribed. One is P-spline and another is Lee-Carter model. P-spline is more famous. These two models can be downloaded from the CMI website. Article contains link to these two models as well. Now coming to the last adjustment in QX. Last adjustment to QX is policyholder level adjustment. That is the information which is obtained from underwriting process is incorporated under QX. Underwriting information includes whether if the policyholder is smoker or non-smoker. Smoker may have lesser life expectancy. Wealth status. If policyholder is wealthy, he or she can afford expensive medical treatment and hence expected to live longer. Also, socioeconomic condition of policyholder, area where the policyholder lives, marital status. If the policyholder is married, he or she is expected to live longer. So these are the four adjustments, four components of QX which is used for equity release product. Each of these component is described in detail in the article. Happy reading.